Monday, 3:30, looking at Euro USD on the 5-minute. Here we are at our day's open, and we are already here right at the 50. So I'm going to paint my channel. And now, yesterday we opened with a short move, came up, went cleanly into the channel. So I'm expecting this low to be the low and to hold. It is labeled here with my previous day's low. And now we are going to wait for our Asia session to open and then our prime window session to open before we make any trade decisions. But right here, I am thinking that it is going to be longs for the day based on these pins to the low and this completion, this full cycle completion back into a beautiful channel from yesterday. Okay, this looks like trap move high. Now, some of you might want to jump in here on this one, but you can see that when it moves really fast like this with no shorts in between, as in no pullbacks, that's usually the trap move. And you can see they're pulling it all back right now. So you could have entered and gotten some pips here, but that is not the clean entry. This is the trap move. So your best bet is just to hold off and wait for the actual entry. There is a clean entry right here, actually, but you would have had to have gotten it right there because, like I said, this thing will most likely pull back as you can see it doing, and you would have just lost all that profit that you made. All right, prime window is opening now. And since I do have the trap for the high, I am confirmed that I am looking for longs here. So I'm looking for a green-red cross here in TDI. Let's pause here. So I already have my pop out. I'm going to put it a little shark here. And then I see how this low here goes down, but in TDI, it goes up. So that shows me this is divergent, just like that, which means price is already moving up. Of course, it did, and it completed the trap. But that is another confirmation here that it'll be a buy trade for today. Okay, we've got another pop out to the low on another trap. So these two pop outs low, these sharks, where I put them here, are confirming for me that they are pushing price down, but there's no follow through. Okay, so that's confirming that they are trying to trap people going short. And let's see, prime window has closed just now, and it's come back and hit the top of this channel and rejected. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my long. I would have liked to see a little more movement by now, but it looks like the entry was supposed to be back here at the first time it hit this channel and rejected. So we're going to put in our 30 pips profit and 15 pips stop loss, gives us a 2-to-1. And that is our trade entry for the day. Let's see how it plays out. And there you go. You are in profit. Congrats. That was a super, super clean entry for the day. All right, there you go. There is your perfect entry for trade day Monday, 3:30 for Euro USD.